Marcus Mariota. We met with him last night, Adam, and he is as cool as you will find for a 22-year-old quarterback. He just gets it off, and he throws to the middle for McCluster, and he's up to the 20. Well, this is where Mariota would love Delaney Walker. He has the ability to run, and he runs for the first down and is taken down across the 35. Off the play fake, Mariota sets up in the pocket, rolls, has Fasano at the 35. Mariota with the fake, pumps once, hit immediately at the 21. Mariota to throw, dumps it off to McCluster. He has a little bit of daylight and a blocker, and he's wrapped up from behind. Play clock down to 2. Mariota steps up and fires, pass is complete. Kendall Wright was just in motion for a moment. Mariota to throw, pass completes. Showing blitz on the far side. Mingo lines up on the far side. Here he comes. Mariota rolls, pumps once, throws it to the other side to Fasano, who's wide open. And Fasano along the sidelines has a first down. One receiver to the near side off the play fake. Mariota looking to throw to the middle of the field. Diving catch by Fasano. He's got it. Mariota out of the shotgun for the first time on this drive. Sets up in the pocket, has time, rolls, and he could run for it if he wants to. He does, and he has the first down. Mariota has time again in the middle of the field. Passes complete to Fasano for a first down. They call him the Bear. Let's see if they utilize him. Mariota's going to roll to the right, and he throws on the run. Pass is caught by Stevens, who went high in the air. Ruger's lined up on the near side. Watch him, number 99, as Mariota throws to the middle. Passes complete to the middle to Wright. Mariota again with time. We keep saying that. Pass is complete after a quick bobble. Mariota's looking that way. Now to the right. Hit as he throws, and it's caught! Touchdown, Dorial Green Beckham! A 13-yard touchdown pass.